Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy official spring. And in this video, we are going to be getting ready for spring together. So we're gonna do lots of deep cleaning, all the good stuff like that annual closet clean out, and even getting into like going through old beauty products, washing our makeup brushes, obviously cleaning the apartment, as well as doing some financial cleanup. We have a few different categories, but basically the theme of this video is spring cleaning. I'm just in my comfy little cleaning fit, hair slicked back, no makeup, because we are just gonna be getting down to business today. Spring cleaning isn't a cliche for nothing. I feel like spring is the perfect time to get rid of anything that you've been holding on to throughout the winter, any clutter that's piled up. Open up your windows, let out the dust, let in the fresh air, let in the sunlight. And no matter what the weather is where you're at right now, if it feels like spring outside or not, we can kind of refresh our lives together. So put this on while you're cleaning, or maybe you're watching this and you're prepping and you want to make your own checklist for when you start your spring cleaning and spring refresh. Either way, totally great. I'm excited to do this along with you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. Starting easy, I'm just gonna throw my sheets in the wash because they need a clean. Obviously, I wash my sheets every week. This isn't just a one-time thing. But what I'm gonna do after the sheets are in the wash is I am going to kind of spot clean my mattress using a little Oxy Boost from Branch Basics. So I feel like quarterly or every 6 months, it's a great time to actually clean your mattress and just make sure that's smelling fresh and clean. So let's do that. Loves having the window open too, and make sure to turn on the fans in your apartment or house as well when you're opening the windows on a nice day. Get that air circulation and that fresh air in here and the dust out. Okay, now for the task I'm actually probably most excited for, and that is doing a closet clean out. In previous years, I've been really good about re-wearing, reusing my clothes, my sweaters, my jackets. Like most of my clothes in my closet that I wear on a regular basis, I've had for 3+ years. Like even throughout college, I was wearing what I wore in high school, and even now I wear stuff that I wore in college. But just over the past few months, like this year so far, I've realized that they're just kind of old, and not in the sense that like I don't even like the style anymore. It's more just like a lot of the pieces are worn through because I've worn them so much. Lately, I'm just like, you know what? I haven't been reaching for these pieces as much. So I definitely want to revamp my wardrobe and just get rid of clothes that I no longer wear for those reasons, and make room for new pieces, new mature styles as I'm going into my mid-20s this year, which is crazy. Like I'm 24, going to be 25, which is crazy. I just want to love everything that's in my closet. Right now, I'm gonna go through and look at all the clothes that are in my closet here and make 3 piles. One is a donations pile, gonna drop off at like Goodwill. One is a trash pile if things are broken or just too worn, like no one's gonna want this item, I'll throw it away. And then 3 is going to be selling on Poshmark. I don't sell most of my clothes, but if there's something that's like been barely worn and it just isn't my style anymore, maybe I'll sell it. So I'm gonna make 3 piles here on my bed as we go through. So it's a mess in here. I'm not worrying about like organizing it right now. I'm literally just looking for stuff to get rid of and to make space for. But I'll show you how bad it is. Okay, we got our 3 piles: Poshmark, broken or raggedy, worn through things, trash, and then Goodwill. I'm gonna put the trash in Goodwill. in garbage bags, and you know, we're gonna really try to bring this stuff to Goodwill. I may be able to bring it today because there's actually a Goodwill by the post office I go to ship orders. So that would just be like ultimate productivity if I bag this stuff for Goodwill today and I got it there today or tomorrow. All right, we're gonna drop off this bag of clothes at Goodwill. If you're in Nashville, I'm at the Goodwill off of 8th. I don't show our balcony much because honestly we have construction going on right next to it, and with it being cold recently I haven't been out on the balcony much, but we have a really good sized balcony at our apartment, and so I'm gonna take some time to clean it off, throw away old plants that were there from last summer. And I got a bird feeder this winter. I still haven't seen very many birds, but I'm gonna like clean that, put fresh bird seed in it. Hopefully we'll get some birds there for Spruce to watch as well. And just clean it off, and then maybe later tonight I'll even do some work from there. Oh, here's Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead, sleepy boy. I just have to watch him, obviously. Close the door and stuff when I'm working out on the balcony, but. Bird feeder I got. As you can see, Spruce is in the window. He likes that spot. If only some birds would come. But they can also be scared of him, so maybe I'll put it up higher. Next day we're going to continue our spring cleaning. I'm now in the bathroom and I'm going to go through my skincare shelf and even under my sink to look through products, see like, okay, how long have I had these products? Are they expired? Because sadly makeup and skincare do expire. I don't adhere to the expiration dates, but I try to, you know, if it's been a couple of years and I haven't used it, we're tossing it. And just kind of organize this area, which often gets neglected. Just gonna put on Olivia Rodrigo's Guts Spilled, the deluxe album. Came out today and I've been listening non-stop. I'm obsessed with Obsessed, obviously that song. And then So American. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay. This expired February 23. This I bought in 2019, and the little expiration date, if you don't know, this is what makeup and skincare expiration dates look like. It's like the little open jar with the number. This you're supposed to throw out 6 months past it being used. So this is about 3.5 years expired. And I do actually love Future Dew. Maybe I should just purchase a new one from Glossier, but I'm not gonna throw it out because the bottle is just like too pretty. It's just gonna be a display, but don't worry, I'm not gonna use it. That's crazy, this expired like beginning of 2020. sign to wash your makeup brushes if you haven't done this recently. I probably do this every 3 or 4 months, honestly, whenever I remember. And I usually use like either a gentle shampoo or a facial cleanser. I'm gonna use this Kiehl's one. Super gentle, and I don't wanna strip the brushes. I have had these IT Cosmetics makeup brushes for years. I got gifted them in high school, guys. And they're amazing brushes, obviously. Like, IT Cosmetics is a really nice brand, and they have lasted me so long. I'm honestly so thankful I got gifted these like 8 years ago, because just goes to show, like, if you invest in good brushes and try to take care of them as good as you can, they're gonna last. And I literally I don't know if I've ever bought a makeup brush before, which is amazing to say, just because these ones have been so good. So if you're looking for good brushes, IT Cosmetics. Other spring cleaning checklists, but a few times throughout the year I like to check in with my finances. Obviously, I do my monthly budget with me. So the main 2 things we're going to do to spring clean our finances is, 1, take a look at all of our accounts, make sure everything's good, filter through things, look at that vision board we made. If you don't do monthly budgeting, maybe now's a good time to kind of just like glance over your spending, your expenses, see where, you know, if you feel good about it or not, where you could do better moving forward. And then the second thing we're going to do is go through and see if there's any subscriptions we need to cancel, going through maybe your Apple settings, your Apple subscriptions, and streaming services, just seeing if there's like any monthly subscriptions that you can cut back on that you don't need, and canceling those. And the hardest thing about canceling these subscriptions sometimes is actually canceling them. Oh, I hate when places make you email them or reach out. So very quick, very simple, nothing too crazy, just taking care of that. Next up to clean is the kitchen. I am going to mainly do the stovetop here, like deep clean that, the sink, and wipe down the cabinets. I feel like cabinets can easily get stained, especially our super cute green ones. They're so cute, but they get dirty. I did the fridge and the pantry at the start of the new year. If you guys want to see my home reset video for more organizing and cleaning, I'll link that. But I did that just 3 months ago, so I feel like I don't really need to clean out the fridge and stuff. But if you didn't do that at the start of the year, now's a great time for that. But for now, we are going to do this stovetop, which is pretty dirty, and the sink is very dirty too.